Hello, in today's video I will talk about how to fix when you're getting a wrong language generation. Firstly, you need to make sure your script is written in one language. You can mix languages in the same paragraph or in the same sentence. It can just crash the text and your audio, so the speaker won't read it. To see if your text is in one language, you just need to copy and paste it or try it in the Google Translator, for example. You just need to make sure the text is one language. Also, you need to make sure that the speaker you chose is talking in language you have your text in. For example, when you go to default voices, it can take a while, and then you need to choose category languages, and then you choose the languages you wanted the speaker to speak in. If you want Spanish, then you just need to scroll down to as much as you see Spanish. For example, I would choose Spanish and then hit apply, and as you can see, I got the speakers that speaks in Spanish and a few other languages. And this is how you can see and fix the problem. So you just need to make sure your script is one language and your speaker speaks in the language you write the script in. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and bye bye.